last video I did, I think I did a haul. So I'm back in my bedroom and I am going to do a exciting video today. Now, there's a bit of a story behind this. I'll tell you what it is. First of all, it is an unboxing. Yes, I might have been a bit naughty in the Yves Saint Laurent store in Dubai. Basically, I went in one morning to do the grocery shopping as you do, and I ended up coming out with a handbag. So yes, not very, that's just me all around. I'm quite spontaneous like that. When I get something into my head, do a bit of research, but then if I go and I see the thing and I love it and I just think, I get FOMO and like, what if it's all sold out? And I've all these mad things go around my head. So I just think, you know what, Irene, just get it. And that's kind of what happened. So I've been after, I suppose, a summer bag for a while. Well, thinking of getting a nice summer bag, lighter color, for a while now. And I had my eye on a couple of them, and I have the bag I got, I'm going to show you now. I have it in black and I use it all the time. Like, I love it. I use it when I go out at night for dinner, when I go for lunch. And it's just one of those bags. It just goes with everything. It looks good. It's one of those bags that will stand the test of time, I think. In 5 years, 10 years time, it'll still look good. So, and I love the brand. I kind of think they are quite very classy and a classic brand, I should say, and yeah, and kind of timeless. So yeah, I just did it. So let's get into it. So yeah, if anyone is thinking about buying something from Yves Saint Laurent, I'd highly recommend the Mall of the Emirates store. I just think they couldn't have done enough for me. Okay, there was probably one or two other people in there and I just came in then, but they really were so lovely. They made me coffee, they sat me down. It was just, the service was just amazing and they made me feel so nice. And you know, you're parting with a good bit of money, you know, you want to ensure that you're having a nice experience, and basically you are paying, it's a luxurious brand, so you are paying for the experience too of buying and, you know, the whole thing. And it's something that, I mean, I bought a couple of my bags, I bought them online, and yeah, it's great, they come and you're excited and it's you open the box and everything, but there's something about going to an actual store and buying in the store. It's the whole experience. So, you know, and it's something that I'll always remember too when I wear this bag, or eventually when I hand down this bag to Molly, to my daughter. So it's kind of, I think there's something really nice about it. And if you get that good service, I mean, you should do. I mean, you pay well for it. It's something that you'll always take with you, and you would be inclined to go back there again and repurchase something else because, you know, you've had such a good experience. And yeah, so I have some footage of me in the store, and of course I was videoing it because you know, that's what I did. It was definitely worth even going in for a look. They're just so nice in there. It came in a nice little bag like this, so it looked really good when I was pushing my trolley full of groceries from Carrefour, and I had my Yves Saint Laurent bag beside it. So yes, that was quite funny. I actually always keep these bags, and they just sit at the bottom of my wardrobe, and I don't know why I keep them. It's the thing, I have a habit of keeping nice bags. Does anyone else do that? Yeah, I have a pile of nice bags, not even like designer bags, so like designer carrier bags, as in like just nice bags. It's one of those things. It's like I have a bit of a collector's habit going on. In the bag, there is a box, and it's lovely, and the packaging is really nice. It has a little ribbon. I'm gonna open it now and show you. Just gonna open this here. I sat over here today because I needed something to put the box onto. Okay, I'm gonna open it. And then inside, and it's similar to the black one of these I have, you get the little bag for the bag. like dust bag. So yeah, and it's really nice and compact. It's not like there's just enough material on it to cover the bag, which is nice, because some of these dust bags, like they're too much material and you end up like folding them over. So this is nice and neat. Okay, so it is the Kate YSL bag with like the gold tassel, and it's actually a chain wallet. It's lovely as a crossbody, which is what I love about it. It has a lovely length, it sits nice. And when I was comparing this to other chain wallet bags, which are really big actually at the moment, I see more and more people are just using chain wallet bags as their main bag. So like they basically just hold your phone, your cards, a key, maybe a lipstick, lip balm, and that's really it, I suppose. But I mean, they're just so handy, and it avoids, or it kind of deters you from carrying out everything with you. Just going to open the inside and show you what it's like inside. I don't know if you can see. So there are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces for your cards, and then behind that there's actually a nice place so you could put some notes or some more cards in there. And then in this part here, it's actually quite spacious, so you could get your phone in there, and if you have a plus phone, they're a little bit bigger, you could definitely fit that in there. Maybe a lipstick, maybe concealer, and a key, and that's it. Without, you wouldn't want to fit it too much because it would bulk it up a bit. So yeah, it's, as I said, it's a nice size for a chain wallet bag. Like you'll get more than just your cards in there, which is good. So it's in the blush pink color. Now, I'll put all the details below, but this also came in like a silver hardware, but obviously like I prefer the gold, and the black Kate I have actually has gold also. If you do go to the Yves Saint Laurent store in Mall of the Emirates, look for Walaa. That's WALAA. She was absolutely amazing. Just couldn't have done enough for me. So really knows her stuff and really took her time to explain everything. She was just really, really good. She was telling me the Kates with the gold or the tassels actually cost a bit more. So you're basically paying for a gold tassel. And it kind of matches my earrings there. So yeah. So I might just wear these when I wear the bag, but I absolutely love it. I just thought it'd be lovely for summer, just wear it casually or wear it going out, and even all year round, not just summer. And just kind of, I just love the Kate style. It's just very timeless, and yeah, I think I'll get a lot of wear out of this. All the details, as I said, I'll put them down below in the description box. You're probably going to be seeing this a lot. If anyone follows me on Instagram on my pictures, I'll just make it go with everything. Yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. It wasn't very dramatic, I know, it was just very, but yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you back here next time with something else. I know everyone says the whole please subscribe thing, but yeah, just please do. But yes, thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.